days. Got a little bit of a bead break there. All right, what's up, guys? Hope you're having an awesome day. So today we're going to do some snow wheeling over here in Kalispell. We're getting ready to head to an unload spot. A couple guys need to unload their vehicles, and we'll probably air down there and start the trail. All right, guys, so we are all aired down now. Didn't get to film that. We left really quick, so we're just starting the trailhead right now. So hopefully we can get some shots later on outside the vehicle, but for now maybe we'll get a couple inside ones, and yeah, see how it goes. I've not been here before, so it is all new to me. Should be fun.
Fine tuning.
Yeah, there's no way to do it. Holy cow, Anthony. You brought a whole clearancing kit.
I was so prepared.
Did you bring some paint for touch-up?
I did.
Did you actually?
I did.
Nice.
Thank goodness for rock sliders.
Well, the trail is going great so far. What do you think, Pat?
I like it.
Good and awesome. Tacoma's working. We made some contact with a tree back there, which was cool.
Rubbin's racing.
I really like the trail they have here. It's pretty nice. I like the obstacles they have. Almost. Don't lift. Exactly.
Try another gear.
Alright guys, so the trail's going awesome, making some progress. There's a bunch of cool obstacles on this trail, which is pretty rad. Not too much snow, but it still makes it fun. It's not really creepy crawly snow. I just tried to do that back there on a hill climb and it wasn't really working. I got real close, but I still had to back up and get a good run at it and use a little bit more throttle. And then over here we have Pat high-centered on an obstacle. Yeah. What are you doing over there, Pat? So yeah, the trail is going awesome. Hopefully we get some more outside clips. We're trying to do our best. Well, Cassie is. She's been filming. It's definitely cold.
But I have my heated jacket on. He got me.
Yeah, shout out to that.
Yeah.
That's good. It has been fun so far. We're just we're running into people. There's a lot of people up here on the mountain, so we got people passing other people here and there. So just got to pull off and squeeze by, but it's going good so far.
I like it because it's different than where we've been before. It's nice to have a change.
It's really cool having the trail with all the obstacles in it, like I said before. Uh-oh, Pat's coming. Breaking trail now. We made our way out front. Film was a little warm, but it's still doing all right.
Uh-oh. What'd you do, Justin? What you doing?
I don't think I made that much progress. What do you think, Pat?
It's It's okay, there's a Jeep to the rescue. It's pretty cool. I think we're going that way.
Pat, I is stuck.
I see that. Oh, that was easy.
Hey guys, Justin's back there helping him get unstuck. I'm sitting in the vehicle because I'm super cold. Just waiting for them to break some trail and then we'll head our way.
Turn your wheels. There. So the last little bit, the last couple hours have been pretty slow moving. We've been crossing a bunch of snow drifts, which has taken quite a bit of time. We've been having to pull winch line to get everyone through, but we're just about to the road. It's still fun nonetheless. It's fun coming across those drifts, seeing if you can get through them. What'd you do, Anthony? Got a little bit of a bead break there. That really folded under good.
Oh, they're really going way up high.
Yeah, that'll be good. Anthony, you did good.
I did.
First beat of the day though, which is pretty good because we're getting rowdy in there.
Which is, you know,
Yeah, like 50 feet from the road.
the road from the end of the day.
I shouldn't say too much because if I say anything, then I'll be up next. Well guys, we made it through the day. We're airing up currently. Air system's working great. I had fun. That last little stretch took quite a while, especially with Anthony blowing a bead. So he's using my spare, and I got his in here. We're gonna take it back to town and see if we can't get it fixed so he can have that when he drives home because he did not trailer his vehicle. And then I'll have a spare back in here. But worked good. Tacoma did awesome. We didn't break it, which is great. That's exciting.
Yeah.
Drop a comment down below if you want to see us build a vehicle for Cassie to take out wheeling. I think that would be neat. You think it'd be fun?
This one.
The one that's already built?
Well, I can critique it. And
Yeah, change the color, paint it purple. So we're gonna finish airing up and then head back to town, and I think we have the dinner for this snow bash event. I think it's 6 or 7, somewhere in there. So we're gonna head back to town and get ready for that, and then yeah, hopefully warm up. My feet are soaked. I was wanting to get a set of those boots, but I have not yet, so I'm sadly wearing my Romeos. So we'll get some of those in the future, and then we'll be set. All right, guys, so I did get to film an outro yesterday when we got done with snow wheeling. We were trying to rush back to town so we could get Anthony's tire fixed. That way he could have that on the drive home, and then we have the spare and our pickup. But we got that all fixed, and then we went to the banquet dinner that they had, which was super awesome. That whole room was very packed, and all the tables were full, and they had some cool prizes with some good food. So shout out to them for putting on an awesome event. I had a blast over there. What do you think, Cassie? Did you have a good time?
Yeah, I did. It was lots of fun.
Would you like to go next year?
Yeah.
It would be fun to go back next year. It was neat to see a new area, and I really like the trail that they have over there. It'd also be kind of cool to go over there in the summertime and see it without snow and just go explore. So we're almost back to town. We're on the last little leg of our trip back. Make sure to like the video if you like the content. Drop a comment down